guys, I just wanted to talk to you for a minute about how to find certain values. So like on your homework, you're going to be asked to find, oh, that's not what I want. Hold on. There we go. You're going to be asked to find f of, let's say, 4. So there's a couple ways you can do this. The first way is to use the domain and ranges over here, and then the second way is to use your graph. But first of all, let's talk about what f of 4 even means. This is called function notation, and all it means is that x equals 4, and it's asking you to find what y equals. Okay, it's just another way to write points. So there's two ways. The first way, we can come over here to our table and find which of these domains, that's the part in the brackets, 4 would fall into. Well, 4 would fall into the third domain, right? 3 is less than or equal to x is less than 11. 4 would fall in the middle of that domain. So we know that 4 has to equal 197 because that's what my table tells me that part of the domain equals, or that part of the x values. The second way you can do this is you can scroll down and find 4 on my x-axis, which would be right here. And I'm going to go up until I run into my graph. That happens at this point here. The y value at that point is 197. So that would be my y value. So the f of 4 is 197. Let's find f of 13. So again, if I look at my table over here, where does f of 13 fit in? Well, 13 falls into this fourth domain. So what I can do is I can plug 13 into this equation. So I would have, let me erase this so I got a little bit more space. So I would have y equals negative 0.5 times 13 plus 202.5. I get out my handy calculator and I'll do negative 0.5 times 13, which is negative 6.5, plus 202.5, 196. So f of 13 is 196. That's the first way. The second way I can do it is I can find 13 on my x-axis, go up till I run into my graph. Yep, look at that point, the y value is 196. So those are the two ways that you can do it. It's going to be best to use the table if I have something that doesn't fall on a nice point. But if I have a nice point that it falls on, you can definitely use the second method I show you where I'm just looking at the graph. That's how you're going to find the values that they're asking for when they ask f of something. All right, I hope that helps you out. Let me know if you have any other questions besides that.